Hey guys, it's Amanda Sobey here, and I wanted to come and give you a quick demonstration on how I use my dry brush. Some simple tips that you need to know about dry brushing is that it's not an aggressive brush. It's just nice light strokes. And some benefits of dry brushing not only improve lymphatic flow, it promotes circulation, it helps you detox, also helps you eliminate and reduce your cellulite, as well as keeps your skin looking young and youthful. So it's just overall really good for you, regardless of the fact. Some benefits are increased lymphatic flow, improved circulation, helps to detox, reduce cellulite, as well as keeping your skin looking young and youthful. You will notice on my dry brush there are two sides, and I'm going to explain to you what they are good for. The bristle side is really great for lymphatic movement and good stroking on the skin, but the pearls on the back of the brush are really good for people who have lipedema or lipomas, that they want to break down anything excess that's stuck and trapped up in the skin. As you can see, I'm in the shower, and I like to do this in the shower and make it part of my shower routine to make it consistent, as well as being very hygienically clean, as anytime that I'm sloughing my skin, it's gonna go straight down the drain. The other question I seem to get asked all the time is, do I do wet brushing or do I do dry brushing? And honestly, both are beneficial. I prefer a dry brush as it really helps to take off that top layer of that dead skin, promoting rejuvenation for more skin underneath to come through. But if you're partway through your shower routine and you've simply forgot, don't worry, just get it in, it's gonna be just fine. Some important things that you need to know about dry brushing is you wanna section your body off into quadrants or into 4 parts. Now, the majority of our lymph nodes exist in our inguinal area and in our axillary region or armpit area, but you also have lymph nodes in your clavicle as well as behind your knee. So to make quick work, you really want to take your brush and you want to open up those primary lymph node areas and just wake them up. So give that clavicle a couple strokes, wake up that axillary region, open up that inguinal area, and also behind the knee. Remember, thinking about your body in 4 sections, you want to take everything on my left armpit, waking it up, and you're going to just do nice light strokes into the axillary region, sweeping into it, and again using the long handle to pull it back and around and into the armpit. Working down the arm, getting the back of the hand and the fingertips, also as well as the palm of the hand, and then using that brush to work back up that arm, and then again finishing into that armpit. I'm now gonna go over to the other side of my body, again waking up my armpit, waking up that clavicle, sweeping the skin into those areas, nice short strokes, and again, your pressure is not too hard. Working down the limb, getting the palm, getting the back of the hand, and then coming back up and sweeping and pulling it back into the axillary region. When I'm doing my torso and my trunk region, you're gonna pull from the back and bring it to the front. Now, depending on where you're compromised, you kind of want to sweep away from that compromised area. So if you're compromised in the groin, for example, it's better for you to pull it up into the axillary region, and vice versa. If you're compromised in the axillary region, you want to sweep it towards those areas that are able to uptake that fluid. For me, for my torso, I'm gonna just push straight into the inguinal area. I'm gonna use the brush to pull from my back and around. Also too, you can lift up that breast, really stroking through that midsection, clearing out anything that's in the trunk torso region. Now we're gonna move on to the legs. We're gonna wake up that axillary region like I had mentioned, Wake up those nodes behind the knee as well too. And then start with small, short upward strokes into the groin, working down the limb. Again, spending a couple more strokes behind the knee because we do have the nodes back there. And again, you can brush the tops of the feet, and you can brush the bottoms of your feet, and then going all the way down to the limb, working all the way back up into that inguinal area. As you can see, once you kind of get the hang of dry brushing, it really doesn't take very long. I like to do the total body because it just feels really good. Again, wake up that knee. And short, small upward strokes. And before you know it, you have your full body brushed. Just like that, you're good to go. You feel super invigorated. Really wakes up the body, as well as your skin feels very soft and smooth. I hope that this is something that you enjoy to do as much as I do. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to let me know. Leave me a comment below, and I hope this helps, and good luck with your dry brushing.